Thoroughly wet hair until it is completely soaked. Apply Curl Renew shampoo onto the roots. Rub with fingers, not nails. Evenly distribute the shampoo into the hair, then rinse thoroughly. Part hair into 4, 6, or 8 sections depending on density. Apply unconditional love from root to tip. Detangle in sections, then twist each section. Wrap all of your hair under a shower cap. Wait 20 to 30 minutes under the hairdryer. Apply curl butter to each section. Don't forget to remove the excess product. Wet the curls throughout the process. Clean hands and apply a small quantity of pomade to each section to seal hydration. Distribute gel throughout each section, massage from root to tip. Add water with a spray bottle for better distribution. That's a wrap. Perfect curl definition for type 4s.